Understanding content and function words in English. Hey there, English language learners. Welcome to another exciting episode of our English learning series. In today's video, we will dive into an important aspect of English sentence stress and intonation: content and function words. Understanding these two types of words is crucial for developing clear and natural-sounding speech. So, let's get started. Content words, as the name suggests, carry the main content or meaning in a sentence. They are the nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs that convey the primary information. Content words are essential for understanding the message being communicated. When we emphasize these words in a sentence, we highlight the most important parts of the information. For example, nouns: dog, book, apple. Verbs: run, eat, sleep. Adjectives: happy, tall, beautiful. Adverbs: quickly, often, carefully. Content words help us visualize and understand the main ideas in a sentence. Paying attention to them will greatly enhance your communication skills. Function words, on the other hand, are smaller, less emphasized words that provide structural support and context to the sentence. These words include articles, pronouns, prepositions, conjunctions, and auxiliary verbs. While content words carry the main message, function words help us connect ideas and express relationships between them. Let's look at some examples of function words. Articles: a, an, the. Pronouns: he, she, it, they. Prepositions: in, on, at, with. Conjunctions: and, but, or. Auxiliary verbs: is, are, was, were. Function words ensure that sentences are grammatically correct and coherent. While they may seem less significant, their absence or misuse can lead to confusion and misinterpretation. Now that we understand content and function words, let's discuss how they influence sentence stress and intonation. Sentence stress refers to the emphasis we place on certain words to convey meaning and highlight important information. When stressing content words, we make them stand out and give them more prominence in our speech. Function words, on the other hand, usually receive less stress and are often reduced in spoken English. This reduction helps maintain the natural flow of speech and avoids sounding robotic or overly formal. It's time to put our knowledge into practice. Let's do a quick exercise to distinguish between content and function words. I'll provide you with a sentence, and you have to identify the content words by marking them. Sentence: I love to read books in my spare time. In this sentence, the content words are love, read, books, spare, and time. These words carry the main meaning and provide the key information. Congratulations on completing this lesson on content and function words. By understanding the distinction between these two types of words, you'll be better equipped to express yourself clearly and effectively in English. Remember, content words convey the primary information, while function words provide structural support and context. So, keep practicing and incorporating these concepts into your spoken and written English. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable English language learning content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!